Hey everyone, the mama bird is up in the nest now. I'm gonna try to show it to you guys without scaring her. I don't know if you guys can see her little head up in there or not. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh. Okay, you guys. Got most of the porch cleaned up. Oops, I got her on Zoom, my camera now. Sorry you guys, trying to unzoom my camera, I accidentally cut the video off. This is my little Easter tree. I figured I'd adjust the tree up one more time before it went up in the storage. And you guys, what I do not get about where the bird put its babies, look, I brought a birdhouse. And of course I need to put water in that, but I don't know, I guess it thought it would better off in there. It's okay, Mama Radar babies. Here goes my other Easter stuff, you guys. Now that it's not pouring down rain. And I finally put my stuff back out. I need to mow the yard again. It seems like every time I halfway get it mowed, time to mow it again. Oh goodness, okay you guys. Let me show you my bow. Oh, hold on. And I got these little tiny solar lights. So at night time, my sign for Victor Jacobs can still be lit up. And people can see it whether it's day or night. Hold up, you got I see the moon. Alright, now I'll walk out here and show you guys my bow. I've just seen some stuff in the sky and had to show it to you. Here we go. Alright, talk to you guys later.